User Manual for Restoration of Membership. Membership can be restored retrospectively in the same financial year of removal if the removal is due to non-payment of fee. From first day of next financial it can be restored only prospectively. Retrospective restoration fee, current year and restoration charges need to be paid. Prospective restoration fee, current year, removal year-old membership fee, and restoration charges need to be paid. Restoration charges. 1 to 3 years, 1,200 rupees. 4 or 5 years, 3,000 rupees. Above 5 years, 4,000 rupees. Type ICAI.org, then press enter. Select self-service portal icon. Type username. Type password. Click login. Click here. Click on My Membership. Select Other Forms from drop-down menu. Select a restoration form. It's a pre-filled form. No changes can be updated in the form. After restoration, only address can be updated. Select Proceed. Qualification details will appear. Select Proceed. Removal details will appear. Select Proceed. Additional details like partner, paid assistant, salaried employment and engagement details will appear. Select Proceed. Upload photo and signature. Select journal type, e-journal or physical. Fee details will appear. Fee description, payable amount, will appear. Tick declaration, generate OTP. Select Submit the form. Proceed for payment. After payment, form will be moved for processing by RO. Thank you.